Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to download book TikTok videos without Watermark in PC. So first, you have to open your TikTok and then find that account or videos that you wanted to download. Let's just say this account, I want to download all her videos for educational purposes. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to look for this Mass TikTok video downloader. It is a Chrome web extension. So you have to click the very first one here and you need to click this add to Chrome. You have to tap this one and then you will see this add extension. All you have to do is to click that button. So once you tap this add extension right here, you have to wait as it is downloading. Now you have to go to extensions and then you have to look for Mass TikTok downloader and then pin this one. Okay, so click pin and then go back to your TikTok account. So here, these are the videos that you wanted to download. And as you can see, if I'm going to refresh this, I can see now the button from this Mass TikTok downloader. So let me do it again. Let me refresh and I can see this download all. So all you have to do is to click this one and then wait as it is processing. Now here's the thing, you can only select how many videos that you want. I mean, it's up to you how many videos you wanted to download from this TikTok account. So everything is up to you. So let's just say I just want 5 videos, or let's just say I want more. So I'll just have to click this or type the numbers of video here. And then after that, click this download zip. Now you have to wait for a couple of seconds as it is processing. And once it reaches 100%, and then you can now go to this download option right here, go to download folder, and then you have to extract this zip extract file. Then you will see the videos that you have downloaded from this TikTok account. If you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. If you want us to create another tutorial, please do comment down below. See you again in our next video tutorials.